Airclips.com.
National Cargo 8901, wind 280 degrees 7 knots, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 33 left, National Cargo 891.
Roger, clear for takeoff.
Okay. Just a little bit down on your mic, a little bit.
Well, I can't find a spot. I've been moving it around. I'm sorry, but just gonna have to listen to me thunder. Yeah, I kept moving it down to see if it'll help, but it's not.
Alright, clear for takeoff. Lights are on, we're ready to go. I'm assuming these are out.
You ready, Paul?
Yes, sir.
It's your airplane, your thrust.
Okay. Ready to take off.
Thrust route. Hold.
Check.
80 knots. Thrust set.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Odds and rate.
Gear up.
Gears up. Oh, got away from me.
LNAV.
What's that? That's not departure, is it?
No,
Is this
this
departure?
one, yeah, but I... Thrust rev V9.
National Cargo 8901, traffic departure 125, decimal 15.
12515, National Cargo 891. Bye-bye. I almost told them sayonara. On to Seoul, National Cargo 891, 900, climbing to 240.
National Cargo 891 for departure, radar contact, climb to runway 240.
Roger, climb to 240, National Cargo 891.
Airclips.com.